Hello and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to open OCBC bank account. So if you want to open, go to this official website, go to login, choose your personal banking. This is the keyword as you can see here. You will redirect it to this page. This is the page. Click on sign up. This one if you don't have account. In this case, if you don't have any ATM or debit card, you can download this form. If you for banking services change, please download this form. So in this case, you have a last 4 digit, 8 digit of your card and 6 digit your PIN. This is for personal details, such your personal details, passport if you have a passport, your identification number, date of birthday, choose your date of birthday, choose all details here. This is the form. If you don't have ATM, you can log in this and complete this form process. So this is the form, fill this information. This is the form for banking online. In this case, you will redirect it to see this page. This is for form. So basically this is how you can do. Just fill this information here and complete your login process, your creation process. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on other videos.